For the safety of our younger riders, we ask that the adults with them place themselves on the outside of the road. If that's not practical, please hold them or have them easily in your reach. Remain seated till we come to a complete stop. Keep all your body parts inside the car. No eating, no smoking. Thank you. Our trip around Greenville Village should take approximately 30 minutes. We'll have 2 additional stops. Please sit back, relax. Greenville Village is divided into historic districts. The Henry Ford Model T district is first on the left, as we can enjoy a ride on an authentic Model T through the interior of the village. Visit Henry Ford's birthplace. It's the white farmhouse built in 1861. He was born there in 1863. He moved to here in 1944 from 3¼ miles away, which is now the corner of Ford Road and Greenfield Road. Main Street District is where the Wright Brothers home and cycle shops are, where alternate buildings come to us from Cape North. Built in the 1870s. Learn about the beginning of aviation there. Visit Mrs. Cohen's Millinery Shop from downtown Detroit, built about 1860. Next there is the H.J. Heinz Building, built in 1835 in Sharpsburg, Pennsylvania, and Sir John Bennett's Shop from London, England, all on Main Street. Behind the Ford Motor Company to the left is a loading dock for the Model T ride. Edison Networks is the next historic district. Thomas Edison is credited with 1,093 U.S. patents, many more from England, France, and Germany. On the village green is a Logan County courthouse where Abraham Lincoln practiced law, built in 1840 in Lincoln, Illinois. The gray building here is the rebuilt Menlo Park Laboratory, and the gold building is Sarah Jordan's boarding house. Many of the men who worked for Edison at the lab lived there. It's one of the first buildings in the United States wired for electricity. And next to Sarah Jordan, the gray building is the official Fort Myers, Florida laboratory for Thomas Edison. Around the corner from him is the Luther Burbank Garden Office, the only building from the west coast of the United States, built in 1906 in Santa Rosa, California. The 1832 Acrid Cutter Built comes to us from southwest Pennsylvania. This is the entranceway in the Porches and Parlors District. Here you can visit historic homes such as Noah Webster's 1823 home from New Haven, Connecticut. Robert Frost home, the Maddox farmhouse, the Hermitage slave quarters, McGuffey's cabin, all that up on Maple Lane and more. The other side of the bridge, up that sidewalk and to the right, the sandstone complex is the Cotswold Cottage, built in 1619 in Chatsworth County, England. We'll be stopping directly ahead here. This is Susquehanna Station, the first of 2 stops. If you choose to get off here, the train will be back around in 30 minutes. Remain seated, please. Wait for the whistle from the engineer. Once you hear that whistle, then you can get up and exit to the left side only. Remain seated, please.